Elephantiasis. Elephantitis.
Elephantiasis?
Elephantitis.
Elephantiasis. Elephantiasis.
Elephantitis.
Elephantiasis.
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 The type of pathogen is the filarial nematode worm, also known as Berrugia malayi.
Adult parasites are found in the lymphatic system of males where they rapidly reproduce. Newborns are picked up by vector mosquitoes during the feeding stage of the infected.
The parasites then develop through 3 different stages while they're with a mosquito, and this lasts usually 10 to 14 days. After this development, they're dropped off into new lymphatic systems where they then reproduce, and the cycle continues.
The worm is first hosted by mosquitoes until it's transferred to a human. The worm is then hosted by the lymphatic system in the human, where it begins to concentrate and cause liquid buildup in the body.
Adults are elongated and thread-like. This pathogen usually is 250 to 300 micrometers long and has the same diameter as a red blood cell.
This pathogen is spread by a biting mosquito, which is also host to the pathogen's larval stage.
This disease is more common in South America, Central Africa, Asia, the Pacific Islands, and the Caribbean. You can get this disease if you're a male or female and at any age. You're more susceptible to it though if you have a weak immune system.
All the regions previously listed contain developing countries. Also, they're very prevalent to mosquitoes due to their hot and humid environment.
Of the 120 million people infected by this disease, 40 million people are severely disfigured by it. And while not that many people die per year, in 2002, 1 in 10 million people died from it.
The main symptom is swelling and gross enlargement of certain body parts due to the accumulation of fluid. Arms and legs are most affected, and they can swell several times, resembling an elephant's leg. The skin of the infected area usually develops a dark, thickened, pebbly appearance. Fever, chills, and nausea might also be present.
The pathogen blocks the body's lymphatic system, a channel of networks, lymph nodes, and organs. These things help maintain proper fluid levels by draining the lymph into the body's bloodstream. Therefore, the fluid builds up. This buildup causes swelling, called lymphedema. Like mentioned earlier, this will cause great disfiguring of different body parts, resembling an elephant.
Pretty difficult to catch unless you're in a heavily populated mosquito environment in which the disease can be spread. This occurs when a mosquito bites an infected person and then goes on to bite an uninfected person.
The method for identifying an active infection of this disease involves identifying a microfilaria in a blood smear from a micro-examination.
Antiparasites such as ivermectin, which is used to treat infections caused by threadworms and other parasites, can be taken yearly in order to kill the parasite.
Ivermectin has a general 85% success rate, only stops future swelling, and does not help with past fluid buildup. You take treatment every 2 weeks for a whole year, and the side effects are fainting, fever, joint pain, severe itching, rash, or hives.
Buildup caused by elephantiasis cannot be cured. However, you can prevent the future buildup.